It's time to piss off the relatives. This is Daddy Keto here. Let's make a pie. This is a delicious, decadent, and keto-friendly pie. Low in carbs, but delicious. I can see that pie crust is a little lumpy, a little misshapen. So is your mom, but I can't quit her either. Roasty, toasty, and delicious. This might surprise you, but when this is done, this will taste nothing like butternut squash. It is absolutely luscious, silky, and decadent. I encourage you, just give it a whirl. Give it a little try. Best case scenario, people are talking about it at the table. Worst case scenario, they're angry. Any case, it'll be fun. So, that's Chantilly, sugar-free too. Serve and enjoy. Happy Thanksgiving.